Hello and welcome to GK Sociology classes. Dear students, today in this video we will discuss about the syllabus of BA third semester, subject Sociology, Indian Society Structure and Change. Unit number 1, Conceptualizing Indian Society. Evolution of Indian Society, Composition of Indian Society, Linguistic and Religious Composition, Unity in Diversity. Unit number 2, Indian Social Institution, Family, Marriage, Kinship, Caste and Class. Unit number 3, Social Change in Indian Society, Social Change in India, Westernization, Modernization, Sanskritization. Unit number 4, Contemporary Issues and Challenges in Indian Society, Communalism, Corruption and Poverty. This was all about the syllabus for the subject Sociology, third semester. Indian Society Structure and Change. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, share this video to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel, JK Sociology Classes. Thank you.